Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Today we are going to be talking about three things. The first one is about the two identical twins that got married to one man. Wow. And another one is two identical twins and identical two girls and two boys who got married in northern Nigeria. While we go straight to the third one, is about Mr. Lionel, the Pastor Lionel. Um, uh, So the third one about the lioness, where Delta State suspended a chief of staff for spraying money to Mr. Pastor Jumeje in his office. And here now the three things now we want to talk about today, my country people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. I beg, if today happens to be the first time of coming across this video, or you've heard your watch, you never subscribe, I beg me you try me consider the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that anytime we are upload, you'll be the first to be notified. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, I say you all are welcome. And to my returning subscriber, oh my God, I love you guys so much. God bless you all for me in Jesus' name. Amen. So we are going to be going straight to number one topic in our show of today. Now about the two identical twins girls where he marry one man and na the story of one failure to before we can enter another one. Okay, guys. Hello, my country people. As I earlier talked today, now the two identical twins be this one. You understand, my country people? This one never shared for inside Nigeria before. We never hear them before. And the very first time we dey hear them be this one. Say two girls from the same parent marry one man from that is they one dey the same roof. You understand? This one not be by mistake, but the two of them know. As soon as they see, so this one don't already get them for belle for inside. You understand? Why be say these two people to engage in this kind act like this? They say they be identical twins, they no fit leave each other. You understand? So it's like now one rope they tie come. You understand? So now that rope now that they climb, now the same food that they eat, now the same clothes that they wear, now this everything about them is one thing. You understand? So now make them talk say who ready to go down with one, ready to follow the other one do as well. You understand? So their parents no fit talk put for the matter again, because right from the one way they take come this world, they have been together. You understand? So now make two of them vow say now the same husband now they go marry, no Jupiter go fit stop them. You understand? So as the man come, my country people, what did the man want to do? He have no choice. Since he love one, you understand, you have to take another one. You understand? So they say for our parable, they say Edo parable say egbe no manari ohu no bu. You understand? Meaning the family way good. Now wife so wife that they marry for inside. Now I make them use one to do jarapo for inside this matter. So you understand? Because me I never see them before. Now the first time when I see say on two twins they go with one man from the same house. You understand? They see say two identical twins they marry another two identical twins. But say identical say they go come go down with one man. Oh my God, this word I first they talk am for my video. Where this word they go, you understand? So I don't know where it they go, where it they come. You understand? So that's okay. I need to just bring and come on because this one is on head of, you understand? So I no fit call am abomination because I no understand. So maybe for their family, for the father, for the papa to give two of his children out to one man the same day, maybe there's something they their family before they fed they do one, you understand? So you never can tell because Bible say judge nobody, you understand? But the guy try say you marry two the same papa, the same mama for the same day, put them for the same house, and they want take cope. You understand? You know spirit of jealousy, how it be. You understand, my country people? So that one, you get as it be. Now it's okay. I need to just bring and come and make my fans and my subscribers make them see what they happen for inside Naija. So my people, make I waka enter the second news because now three news now we get for today. Make we go straight to the second news, my people. The second news now about this two identical twins from Hausa land. There are four insects, the boys and the girls. So the 33 years old Hassan and his brother Hassania wedded Asana and Hosina, 23 years. So the two boys then be 33 years old, while the girls be 23 years old. You understand? So the boys, that is their name look similar. You understand? The first two boys, their name now Hassan, while the brother now Husani, and the other sister now Hassania and Hosinia. So now these four identical twins. So two set for here, two set for here. So the two of them come tie the knot. So the two boys say, it don't say where they talk say they go marry for a very long time. That time they 10 years old. You understand? Now they talk say they will marry two identical twins. You understand? So now wetin dey their mind, because they wear the same cloth, they eat the same food, the same shoe. So now they just put am for inside their mind say, if they grow, so now their dream be this one, now wetin they want for life be this. You understand? And true as they grow, they say any good thing wey you wish yourself, na God dey put hand. So their dream take come true. So they all come still jam two identical twins wey never marry, still be virgin. You understand? So now these two people just come enter into a relationship with them. So when now inside November 2020, now this marriage will happen for northern Nigeria. You understand? So now wetin happen be that one. So now this kind of one I don't hear before. I never hear about two twins go marry one man. So you understand? So now the story when I say make I bring come una be this, because then talk say till them find two identical twins like them, then no go fit settle. Without that one, they go just remain single till their kingdom come. You understand? So he said they don't take where they pray, say make them just still jam somebody wey go still understand, wey go still get that kind feeling wey they get, wey go still get that kind talk about them. You understand? Now wetin then they pray for. You understand? You know, say some people go there and they go tell you say they no go fit marry like that. I no fit ask, I go marry my sister and younger brother. You understand? For the same family. So it's not good, because sometimes the marriage where they go, you don't know how it be. Whether you go favor your sister, you go just still go shook head. Put so it get as it be. So these two boys now come they pray, say make God give them the same people, say twins like them, where he get that kind thinking for mind. You understand? So now wetin then they pray for ever since then. So as they grow reach the 33 years, that means they reach that 33 years, they're supposed to marry early. So they never see person will get that plan like them until they can't jam these two twins, these two identical twins. You understand? They say even for exam hall self, then they always they write for each other. You understand? So now what this one want, then the other one they do. You understand? So now their dream things be that one, their dream life be that one. So you understand? So it's still finally now they don't finally settle down, they don't finally achieve their dream and everything. You understand? Because their parents even support them, because now waiting they want, now they tell their parents, as far as say now good thing they ask for. So now their parents they support them. You understand? Una know say God they talk and say, and if you ask of good things, he will give you. You understand? You know, if you ask to me give you you know, if you ask bread, may give you stone, or ask fish, may give you serpent. You understand? You say ask and it shall be given, knock and it shall open, seek and it shall find. And true, these people ask and God grant them everything, just like Solomon. Solomon asked for wisdom and God granted him everything. So their wish have come true. You understand? So congratulations to this wonderful family. This their families, you understand, families as Hassan and Hosinia. I beg if I not pronounce una name, make una no verse. You understand? Because these two husband, two twins, these four identical twins, their name they very similar. You understand? So twins marrying another twin set. So congratulations to them. You understand? So and I say, okay, make I just let my country people know. Okay, make I roll and go the other news, the last one for today, guys. Hello, my good and wonderful people. Now the third news we want to talk about today, now be this one. Now the Odumeje, the lioness, now be this as soon as they see so he go inside office of Delta State Governor, Chief of Staff. See how Nigeria government, see how then they waste our money. Imagine a pastor now they say now be this one. Now this man carry money come out, all this money misroad people. Carry money come out, begin to spray the lion himself, the Odumeje himself for inside office. The sweet news wey sweet me, as the governor of Delta State see this video when e go viral, he come find kukuma sack the chief of staff, comot for office, say how can you of all people do this kind of a thing? See how dem dey abuse our money. Carry pastor enter in office, pastor begin dey prophesy, he no give am envelope to give am brown envelope na problem, begin dey spray am money for inside office. Pastor dey dance for am after he don see vision for am, say na he go come become the next governor of Abia State. My country people, sorry, na Abia State. So now wetin the Abia State governor do na it sweet me. Immediately in fire am. How can a sensible person do this kind of thing in Nigeria? People, the masses, they suffer. See money wey person dey spray pastor for inside office. Me and they see other people they give money to pastor. Now brand envelope or check now they give pastors. No be to just give am begin the sprayer. Nigeria government once una don enter power, wetin dey change you now? I know say money dey shark person well, money dey drive person hard, dey drive person like who drink ogogoro, but make una take am easy. Make una take am easy. Small children wey dey sleep outside, some people they no get light for 2 years, 3 years. Children wey dey abandon, wey no dey go school, dem plenty. Dem no dey render help to all these people. After pastor don prophesy give you now, begin dey spray am money. The one wey you don put for your envelope, that one never reach you. I just like wetin the Abia State governor do. I know say the man don still get money make him learn in a hard way. Now so they're supposed to dey sack all this longer throat government, and so they're supposed to dey sack them one after the other. Now so they're supposed to dey sack one after the other. Imagine wetin governor, chief of staff do. Imagine for inside office carry Odumeje begin dey spray am money. That one na tight money, and be na offering money. So my country people, now the news when I read can't give una today be this one. Make I come dey waka dey go. I go see una for another video. I beg make una help me share this video. Make una give am thumbs up, so that make people see wetin our government they use our money till they do for inside Nigeria. Okay, una bye bye. I'll see you soon in another video. Choose everyone. Bye.